Hi guys, welcome back to Avengers of Nathan and Ethan. Today I'm making soap. People was making soap at a very long time, around 5,000 years ago. That was made of water, ash, and cassia oil. This is my kit with making soap. Soap lab. Things you need are glycerine, molds, beakers, popsicle sticks. The food coloring is for to add color. Popsicle sticks is to mix. And the perfume is to give smell of the soap. Need 6 glycerine cubes. I'm putting my glycerine in the beaker. Make sure you have an adult with you. Pour in the smaller beakers. I'm going to put my perfume in here now. Now I'm going to add red first. Then I'm going to mix 2 colors to get it red. I'm making blue and yellow, that makes green. That do? This one is only blue now. I'm going to mix it up. In my molds and make it shape, we'll let it cool. Put it in the refrigerator to let it cool, and I'm going to be right back. Then you're going to see how it looks. My soap is already finished cooling. Now I'm going to take them out. Smells nice. I hope you like my video. If you want to make this too, go to mindware.com. Like and subscribe. Bye.